Okay, this is actually a quick video to show you the product, the app I'm working on presently. Okay, so this is the app. It's an e-commerce app. Still working on it. So if you watch by the side, you see that this is the code of the app. You understand? And this is the preview of the app. So if you watch, you see that here we have the categories. So if you have laptop here, okay, then you have footwear here, okay, and then you have t-shirts. All these are just samples of categories. Like I told you, we are still working on it. Do you understand? So most of these things will be changed after working on it. The owner of the app will upload his own content, but these content are the ones we are just using for working on it. Okay, so when you look at this, you can add to cart. So you see added to cart. All right, so you can also, let's say you can go to footwear, and I also add to cart. Right, added to cart. So go to any category, then you choose, you can scroll to see more, choose the products you want, you add to cart. Then after that you can go to cart. Okay, so you see the two products we just added. Okay, so you can increase the category. See maximum value added, so you can increase the quantity until you get to the maximum in stock, right? Like this one has only 2 remaining, that's why you can't go beyond 2. Do you understand? Right, this one you can also increase it, so it has also 2 only. So you choose the number of quantity based on the stock. Okay, now you move to checkout to make your payment. Okay, so from here now you see details, to subtotal, see shipping, see tax, then you can now go ahead to make payment. Okay, here you can pay by cash on delivery or online, depends on the one you want. So if you are paying cash on delivery, you have to go ahead and place your order. Okay, so if you want to pay online, you choose online. Then here we are using Stripe for payment. So you see Stripe will show. Then here you now enter the card details. Here I'm going to quickly enter just a simple card details, or a test card details we are using. You understand? So this one is just a test card. See, it's in a test mode, but by the time the app is live, then it will be in a live mode so people can make actual payments. Okay, maybe you can just stay to 2024, maybe just add any 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, then you choose your country. I'm going to choose Nigeria, right? Okay, let's scroll quick to choose Nigeria for payment. Okay, then getting close to Nigeria. Now this it, then you choose your country, Nigeria, then you make your payment. So it process, and the payment is completed. Perfect. So it will, after completing the payment, it will direct you to, see, order placed successfully. It will direct you to your dashboard. Here you are going to see your orders. You understand? You see your orders here. These details of your order, what you ordered, and this is your profile. Okay, you click here, you can edit your profile if you want to see my details. You can update your profile from here. Okay, then you can sign out from here. You can change your password from here. If you go to admin, section, you can add you can add new product from here. See some products we added. See these ones we ordered, now they have 0 stock remaining. Hope you understand. So this one has some stocks remaining. See some other products we've ordered, some other products we added. So you can press on this and edit the product. You can delete the product if you want to. They can add new products. Okay, and then you can see all the orders, all orders made. It is a chart showing out of stock and in stock. Okay, then this is the category where you manage category. In case if you want to add more categories to, you see the categories we already added. You can click here and type more, add more categories. Okay, let's say I want to add what again am I gonna have added accessories. I've added accessories. Let's say just for testing purpose, let's just say fashion. Even though we have footwear, we have this, but just for testing purpose, let's add fashion. You click here, then it will load. Then after loading, the fashion will be added. So you see category added successfully. So if you go back to category now, you see that we have fashion. This is fashion here. If you want to delete it, you can delete it. You understand? Very good. So even though we are still working on it, so some of the functionality might okay. The deletion works. That means we've completed that deletion part. All right, it works fine. So I'm showing you this just for you to see that I'm working on some projects for clients, and there are much more projects to work on. Okay, so that is it. I think you've seen most of the things that works in this app. So any kind of app you want to build, all you need to is just to explain to me how you want it to be. Even this one has camera too, like you can use your phone camera to snap products. For example, let's say click here now, you click here to order for to snap. You see you can take a snapshot, but this one it will not show anything here, but this is your camera now. You can take a snapshot, but you know this I'm using emulator, phone emulator to show, so it won't show you camera unless you are using your physical camera. You will now use it. So if you are using this app your physical camera, you will snap any whatever product you want to snap and save it. And you can click here to get images from your library. So you see some of the images, you can get any image you want. You can crop it to fit where you want it to fit. Okay, crop it, then it will fit. Do you see it has entered here? You can now fill the name, description, price, stock. You choose category from here, choose the category you want it to be. Okay. So that's how it works. So I just take my time, just say let me take my time to show you this, because this might interest you. So if you have a client that needs a service, all I need is a proper explanation of what he wants, then I will take it up from there. And what I also do for my client is this: when they explain to me what they want, I will look at their vision. If there are suggestions that I'm going to make, I will also make necessary suggestions that will help their vision, both in marketing, okay, and the money making part of it, you understand, and otherwise. I want to appreciate you. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's sign out of our application. Very good. We'll now get to log in here, and this is the home, this login, and that's all. Thank you so much. Just want to show you the this app quickly. So I think showing a client this will also convince them that we can give them a good job. Thank you so much.